Hi, this is Handy TF. This video is going to show you how to fix this burner. It's stuck on a high heat. I have turned this front and back this both burner on a low heat for a couple of minutes. You can see the one in front I can kind of touch, but the one in the back is red heat. So we need to fix it. Basically, the way you fix it is have to replace this switch. The model number is usually on the bottom behind the drawer in here, and you can use this model number to order the parts first. First things first, you must unplug the stove before you do anything. To remove this old switch, you just need to pull this off and then unscrew this too. Next, we are going to take out a couple of screws on the back just to remove this top panel. Next, just pull this old switch out. The trick is just leave all this wire here so you won't get lost. This is new switch. Now we can put the new switch back on the same direction as this old switch because we leave this old switch here. Pull this two screws back, which is skewer this new switch. Now you want to take one wire out at a time from the old switch and then put into new switch. Don't take all out in one go, you might get lost. You should be able to pull this out. If not, use a flatbed screwdriver and then push from the bottom. Put this back. This is all done. Thank you for watching. This is Handy TF.